Hi, this is Diana Keuilian for the Gabriel Method. Now today I want to give you a simple, quick breakfast recipe that's going to give your kids energy throughout the day. It's going to have them avoid that sugar crash that most processed breakfast cereals give. Literally there's three main ingredients. It's tomato, onion, and egg, and it's delicious and simple. I call these breakfast bird nests. Now when you're buying vegetables for your children, you want to make sure that they have the least amount of pesticides as possible. So one of the ways to avoid pesticides is to go and seek out a local organic farmer in your area. There's also farmers markets. And what I like to do is get a CSA box, which is Community Supported Agriculture. And it's really cool because local farmers will actually deliver a box of produce to your house every week, and then it's just fresh and ready to go. And when it comes to selecting eggs, it's really important that we seek out fresh organic eggs if possible. Now, hens that have been pastured, that means that they're able to eat grass and they're not fed a bunch of grains. And so the eggs that they produce have higher levels of omega-3 fats.
Here's what you need. 2 organic tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 small onion, finely chopped, a pinch of dried oregano, sea salt and black pepper, and 2 organic eggs. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash the tomatoes, slice off the tops, and scoop out the insides. Place the tomatoes on a pan and bake for 5 minutes. In a skillet, heat the oil over medium heat. In a skillet, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and the onion. Sauté for 5 minutes until mostly cooked. Fill each tomato with the onion, leaving about ½ inch of space. Crack an egg into each tomato, and then sprinkle with pepper, sea salt, and oregano. Place in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Turn on the high broil and brown the tops. Remove from the oven once the top has set